Hello, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. 2 years ago, I started putting flags out on Memorial Day and was lamenting over the fact that nobody was taking care of the grave sites for our veterans. Last year, with a little bit of pointing from my wife, she said, after I was grousing about it, she said, "Why don't you do it?" So I did. So last July, I started Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Now, since then, I've been trying to gather all the information I can about not only the government furnished grave markers, configuration, sizes, other things of that nature, but also good cleaning techniques. It has been, and continues to be difficult to find good information in a single place. So I've really had to kind of cobble things together based on everybody's comments on social media, what's been produced by the Department of Veterans Affairs, National Cemetery Administration, and also what has been on the label of chemicals like D2 or wet and forget. With that, I came up with a couple documents that I put on our website, or our Facebook page, and that is our standard one. Our standard one reflects best information we have about cleaning graves. Now, if you go on social media enough, you're going to find everyone having ideas on what they need to do, whether you get permission or not, whether you should use this product or that product. My concern is consistency of information, and it doesn't make sense. And with that, Standard 1 was created, and that's available on the Facebook page for hashtag RVMG, Remember Veteran Grave Markers Inc., or RVGM Inc. You could find that. But I would ask you to take a look at that. Look at the information that's on Remember Veteran Grave Markers Inc. and the Facebook page, and it's also referred to as Only Veterans. Take a look at that. See if it makes sense to you. I think that everybody's got an opinion, but some opinions are not as good as others. So take a look at that and make some decisions. If you're going to go and do something, do it with the best information that you have at your disposal, because it's not there in one location. So Remember Veteran Grave Markers Inc. focuses on localizing good information so that it is a resource for people doing work on headstones, especially government furnished headstones and grave markers. Take a look. Hope to see you there. This is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Until next time.